One of our major areas within engineering is manufacturing support.
When I bring on a new engineer and we have to train them, we're able to send the engineer down to those facilities, learn the process, learn everything that they can about rail cars. Then when they come back to us, they're ready with knowledge of how the car is built.
We have regular visits with the plants to understand what it takes to actually produce our cars and to figure out ways to improve that.
Because a lot of times you don't know the size and scope of what you're designing or you're analyzing until you see it built.
The more we go down there and just, actually physically see how they're putting it together and how we can improve it, that is so helpful.
It allows us to be a little bit more creative in the designing of our parts.
And developing the relationships with those plants really helps support the engineering and the design side.